shiny little Beamer with the rack top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around, and I just laughed and said, you all get in. She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. Said, what you want to do, baby, I don't care.
Howdy, y'all. I'm Melissa.
And I'm Thomas. Thanks for tuning in to Monticello Today. Not only is today Farmer Day, but it's also the day that all the 8th graders visit Monticello. So if you see anyone walking around that looks too young to be in high school, don't be alarmed.
Later, you'll hear some news that both seniors and juniors should hear about, but first we start today off with some deadlines.
Seniors, the senior field trip to Busch Gardens and York River State Park is scheduled for Friday, May 4th. You can find a permission slip online in the main office or from Miss Dooley. Permission slips and a check for $75 is due to Miss Dooley by Friday, April 20th. That will be this Friday. So if you want to go on the senior trip, make sure you turn in all the forms and money.
There are still senior shirts available to purchase. The price is $12 and includes a bracelet. They will be sold during all lunches at the same table as the senior trip tickets until Friday.
Here's a reminder for anyone who is either in an honor society. This year's inductions will take place tomorrow night at 7 here in the Monticello Auditorium.
Listen up, everybody. Here's some prom news. Tickets will be on sale for $10 each all week. Purchase yours in the cafeteria during lunch today.
Well, here's more prom news for you. As you may already be thinking, since prom is downtown at the Ice Park this year, parking may be an issue. Well, worry no more. We have the solution for you. Tell them, Elisa.
All right, here's the deal. If you park in the Water Street garage, the Ice Park will validate your parking for 2 hours.
Here's the last announcement we have for you at the news desk. Compass makeup testing will take place on Wednesday, April 25th at 9:40 in the Red Lab. Students interested in participating in makeup testing must sign up in P105 by Thursday, April 19th. Same rules apply. You must have a PVCC ID number to sign up. See Ms. Neal with any questions.
As you know, this is the time of the year where seniors are making final decisions about colleges and juniors are starting to narrow down their searches. Lauren has all the dates and details you need to stay on top of it. She will be up next, but first my co-anchor here has some findings to share with you that fit perfectly into the news on Farmers Day.
That's right, Melissa. You know, people in America are a lot more creative than we give them credit for. I mean, the rest of the world may be catching up in math and science, but there's something that us Americans can still outdo anyone in. Well, here, you be the judge.
Oh, you like the way that sounds? Jacking up his Bronco. He's gonna lay a little rubber later on at the truck. Oh, and all the girls are getting pretty. They're spraying on the white rain. Yeah, they're gonna get rowdy tonight down at the football game.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Lauren, and boy, do I have a lot of college news to share with you. Seniors, if you have received a scholarship or any award towards furthering your education and you would like this award to be announced at the Senior Award Night, turn in a copy of your award letter to Mr. Banks in the school counseling office. JMU will be here on Wednesday, April 25th at 1 in the forum. All interested students should sign up outside of P105 by Tuesday, April 24th. PVCC is hosting a fun field trip for all seniors interested in attending. The field trip will be from 9:15 to 2:15 on Friday, April 27th. Please see Ms. Neal in P105 for a permission slip. Permission slips are due by Wednesday, April 25th. UNC Asheville will be here on Tuesday, April 24th at 11 a.m. in P105. All interested students should sign up outside of P105 by Monday, April 23rd. Hampton University will be here on Wednesday, April 25th at 2:30 in P105. All interested students should sign up outside of P105 by Tuesday, April 24th. Interested in finding out about colleges? If so, plan to attend the Regional College Fair at Charlottesville High School on Wednesday, April 25th at 6:30. There will be over 60 colleges represented. That's everything there is to know about upcoming events that have to do with college. Thomas is up next with your sports. Stay tuned.
So it's time to leave you a preview so you too can review what we do. 20 years in this business, how you sell soul, gee whiz. People bear witness. Thank you for letting us be ourselves. So don't mind me if I repeat myself. These simple rhymes be good for your health. To keep them crime rhymes on the shelf. Live love life like you just don't care. 5,000 leaders never scared. Bring the noise, it's the moment they feared. Get up, still a beautiful idea.
Hey everyone, I'm Thomas with today's sports. Tonight, the softball team takes on CHS away at 6, while the baseball teams host the Black Knights right here at Monticello. That game starts at 7:30. The boys and girls tennis teams will also be in action against Charlottesville. The boys play here at the PVCC courts at 5, and the girls will travel to CHS for their 5 o'clock match. Tomorrow, the boys and girls track teams take on Western and Powhatan at 5. That meet is right here at Monticello. There are plenty of games and matches at Monticello this week. Be sure to come out and support your fellow Mustangs on the playing field. That's all for today. See you next time on Monticello Today.
Check us out on Twitter at MHS_TV.